Hi, uh, I see you've come again today. Thanks, YouTube family. Uh, I know you're out there wondering what I'm doing back here, but don't worry. I was riding this bicycle today and I felt like I should give you guys some specs of what it feels to ride an XUK mountain bike. And behind me, I feel like a pro. I'm a professional
What?
actually at the moment. So,
Bro, what are you
with
talking
me
about,
here,
man?
I have an Especial Pro mountain bike, 27 inch. And my God, I tell you, this machine is good. I love it so
What
much.
did he say?
And, the essence of this bicycle, it's good, it's sweet, it makes you feel executive, it gives you that good look whenever you have that clean suit with you, and whenever you're having that classic adventure, maybe you're having that good sport bike terrain clothes that you put on, or you are going to an office, you're working and you show up with this. I tell you, this is the Ferrari of bicycles. This is a Lamborghini of bicycles. I love this. I like it. Like, this is an X6 Sports Series mountain bike, and it gives you everything that you need. All the way starting from the rim, all the way from the saddle to the mud flaps, to the good beefy tires, good steel rim stand. I like it. This bicycle gives you a unique look. It gives you a professional look, and that's why I love it. It's called an Especial Pro, and it's an MTB Especial Series. And without further ado, I feel like I should give you guys a peep of what this bicycle can do. So let's get into it. So, first of all, let's start with the looks. So this bicycle comes with a 27-inch rim tires, very beefy. I love them. They scream adventure, and also they scream that posh look, the Richie like, the one you feel when you're happy and you have money. But I don't have money, but I feel good. So those tires look good, executive. I like them, and all the way the color scheme. I love the white, gray, and the blue accent. Looks good to me, but I had no choice to finding a good mudguard that could match the color. So this red here is a zonk to me, and I really don't like it. So yeah, it's not good, but it's me who kept it here. So far I feel like I did something wrong, but it's good. Okay, it's good. It does one thing good. It protects me from the dust, and it keeps my backside clean, and this part here keeps my front side super. So this mountain bike comes with this cool frame. So if you want to know, this is a aluminum alloy steel frame all the way to the back. This is what makes this bicycle light. You see, like I can lift it with one hand, like with one hand. So it's so light but durable. Light but durable. So it can carry all the way to 200 kilograms. That is if you add another hind saddle apart from you who's sitting, and also it can support to 200 kilogram weight. So this bicycle overall, on the looks, it's superb. I gave it a thumbs up. So let's go to the next thing, the gears. So this bicycle comes with a drive terrain of a Shimano drive terrain derailleur gears, and it has a 3x7 gear shift, and it has the lows and the high. So this one has the high on your left and the lows on your right, which I love. So this bicycle is so cool. I love it. So I think when you do this is all the way to 1. So you have moved all the way from high, you have gone back to low, and you can take it back all the way. You see, like it needs some extra weight, but not to worry. It's still new, that's why. And that is 3 or 2. Then on the other side, we have the 7 gear. So this one, it's all out, so that means it can be taken back all the way to 1. So with that said, I'd like to tell you guys, this gear shift is so good. When you ride this bicycle with this gear shift, you don't feel the anxiety that you might be able to, even if you don't have that strength in your thighs, you know what I'm saying, right? Like, you don't have this, you know not to worry about that. Not to worry about that. You'll get them soon. Just little exercise here and there, you get them, and maybe little falling down. So the bicycle is cool. Going to the saddle, it's so comfy. I tell you, like here, you can really ride this for a very long time. But I could advise you to buy a good saddle, a good. It's called those tight trousers. These mountain bikes have. But if you are just an executive guy going to the office, you don't need that. So this is good. But you can buy those suits, those biking suits, cycling suits. I don't know their names, but not to worry. If you know the names, please keep it down on the comment down below, and I'll be happy to learn from you guys. In fact, I'll be so happy. So this here is very comfy. If you come close, please. This saddle is so spongy. Do you see the density? Just look at this. Do you see this? This is so spongy, man. Like you won't feel that bouncy, pinchy thing that will hurt your groins. Is it groins? Yeah. The two things. For men is those two things. They won't be hard. They'll be fine. In fact, the groin area won't feel the pain. What am I saying? Yeah, not to worry. So with that, you have these hind reflectors. They don't do that much of work, but I can advise you, if you have money, like here in Kenya, if you have roughly 3,600 shillings, you can get the hind lights on the back, and also you can find them in any local shop. I'll pin a location of one local shop that they deal with these kind of things. And here on the front, you can buy those front lights that have an accumulation of also a horn within them. So it goes for about 2,600 Kenyan shillings. So if you want to go through that expenses, if you know you'll be late, maybe you'll be riding back or cycling back home late at night, you can purchase those two things. It's also a good safety feature. It will enable you to get home safe. So I'll give an image of how those lights look here on the top screen, or also here on this other top screen. So not to worry, you'll have a visual aid of what you're going to purchase. Then now let's talk about how this bicycle can stop. This bicycle, it's a good generation of bicycle. From the previous V-shaped brakes, this bicycle comes with an all-new set disc brakes. And I tell you, these disc brakes are wonderful. Look at them. Very tight. Do you see them? Very tight. I love them. Just take a look at these. You see that? Like, you can't move an inch. When it's time to stop, it stops. You see? So those are the front ones. And look at the back. Just take a look at these. I love the styling. You see, the style of this bicycle is elegant. The style is very elegant. I like it. So these are the brakes, and they are steel. So they will make you stop at just there. Immediately you run or you want to stop, it makes you stop there at an instant. So with that much said, what else? We have this wonderful outlook. Just look how classy this is. This is elegant. Okay, so going on, this bicycle has a front suspension, and this front suspension, I tell you, they really save a lot. Like, you can go into a bumpy terrain, rock terrain, and you won't still feel anything, because it will enable you to absorb the shock that comes within. So your grip will be comfortable. You won't feel any pain from the hush, those normal bicycles. Are they called the Black Mambas? Those ones, the Black Mambas. During the old days, when you could ride that bicycle and then you come home, after a long a long ride, I tell you, you could sleep like, I tell you, you could really sleep. So this one enable you to, they really help you with that shock. So they give you that comfortable ride whenever you're going into a bumpy terrain. So let's talk about the pricing. So this bicycle is not expensive, very affordable. Affordable, sorry, not affordable. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad English. That's bad English. So it's affordable, not expensive, not cheap. I can tell you, for a Kenyan guy who wants to purchase this excellent bicycle over here, this bicycle will come at a cost of about 17,000, all the way ranging from 15,000 to 17,000 Kenyan shillings. And I don't feel if that's too much, because with that kind of money, you get this wonderful, good looking bicycle. But if you are to purchase it inside a supermarket, trust me, you'll break the bank. For someone who wants to really chip in something small, don't go into the supermarket. I can advise you that. Just go to a local retailer shop. I'll keep a link on a local place where I purchased one of mine. I'll drop a direction and a link so that you can go to them. And when you go there, try tell them I'm the one who directed you there. So this bicycle is very cool. You'll get a good discount if you know how to bargain in Kenya. Don't expect a discount code from me. I don't have any discount code. I'm just starting, man. Cut me a slack, man. Yeah. So you'll get a good discount, and this bicycle is good. Trust me. If you want to do exercise, if you want to go out with your friends and ride along, make some fun jokes and enjoy the day, I'd advise you to purchase this bicycle. It's good, very good. So with that much said, I really don't have anything else to say other than telling you guys, please be good, and out there, please be safe when you're riding these things. And uh, right now, feel more like a professional. It makes you look good. And I just make sure you don't fall down, because it's painful. It's painful, especially if you want to do an old trick. Yeah, I am old right now. Those tricks don't work on me, and I really tried doing one, and I ended up falling down. So thanks, guys. Please, 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 please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share. And please, if you have comments or anything you want to tell me, please, down below, please comment as much as you can. And if you think there is something else that I have missed on this review, please give me a comment. Tell me. I'll be able to correct it in the next video. And with that said, God bless you guys. God bless you guys for watching. And I really thank you guys for watching. Please share the video. I want to grow. That's the truth. That's why I'm here in YouTube. I want to grow. So, see you gay. Did I say gay? Why are you gay? No, sorry. Cut that shit. So, see you guys next time. And till next time, God bless you guys. Stay safe. And let me disappear. Before. Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay. Ah. Thank you. Bye. Bye.